we have a 450 watt solar panel connected to an Ecoflow Delta 2. For safety reasons, we prefer to keep the batteries outside. Inside, in our TV room, the white cable is connected to a relay box. Then the output from this box is connected to the TV. The relay will determine from where the TV should be powered, from the grid or from Ecoflow. Terminal 1 and 8 are connected to the TV. The grid is connected to terminal 4 and 5. That is, the TV is normally connected to the grid. When the relay is activated, the TV is powered from Ecoflow. The 1.5 watt LED is connected to terminal 2 and 7. With the Ecoflow app, I can remote control the relay.